In this video, I will show you how you can scan and find vulnerabilities in different websites by using Nikto vulnerability scanner. So this tool comes pre-installed in Kali Linux operating system. You just need to open the terminal and type in the command Nikto and hit enter. You will get to see some options like this. Some of the features of Nikto. I am using Nikto version 2.1.6. So first of all, you need to enter the command Nikto space h the domain name space -h space the domain name. In my case it is thestudentscircle.com, or you can enter any website which you want to check or scan. Then space -p. P is used to define the port. In my case the port is 80 and hit enter. It will start digging into the website. It will start scanning the website and it will show you the target IP, target host name, target port and start time. It will also show you the vulnerability found or scanned. It will dig into the website and show you all the vulnerabilities present in it. It will take some time to complete the scan. As you can see here, the anti-click jacking X-frame options header is not present, which is in itself is a major vulnerability. So let me quickly open the browser and show you my website, thestudentscircle.com. As you can see, one host has been tested. The scan has been finished. So here's my website, thestudentscircle.com. The link to this website is given in the description below, and also the link to this tool is given in the description below. You can check it out from there. So here from this scan we found the target IP, target hostname, target port and many other details. So if you want to save the output in text file, you need to type in cd space desktop. It will take you to the current directory of desktop, and after that you need to type in the command Nikto space h thestudentscircle.com, or the domain name space -p space 80 the port number and space -o and the file name with the file extension, and hit enter. As you can see here, the file has been created, web security. In my case it is web security. After the scan will be completed, all the details will be saved in the web security file. So here it is, no web server found on the thestudentscircle.com. In this case, because we are using the current directory of the desktop, so in this case we need to enter the IP, the domain IP. So you can find the domain IP by the previous process. So this is of no use, I will delete it. So you need to enter the command, and from this command from the previous command you will get the target IP and the target host. Let's try it again. You need to enter the command Nikto space h with the output file name and -h the file extension, and hit enter. So now you need to enter the IP Nikto space -h space the target IP space the port and all of the details. I need to enter the output file with the file extension. As you can see here, the scan has been started, and it will save all the output in the text file format. You can see here the target IP, and as you can see here, one host tested, and the scan has been finished. And you can open the text file to see all the vulnerabilities scanned, all the details here. So this was all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.